Just Learn Music at justlearnmusic.com. Bars, bar lines, and time signatures. Beats are organized into bars. These are done by drawing bar lines after a certain number of counts. The first count is always a little stronger than the remaining. The strong count helps us to identify the starting of the bar. Let me demonstrate to you how we keep a strong count. 1, 2, 3, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you noticed, I gave a very strong 1. That's even called an accent sometimes. Most metronomes, which we use nowadays, have a different sound for the first count and a different for the rest of the counts. This will help you to identify at any point in time which is the first count in that bar. Bars with 2 crotchets. In these bars you will notice that either you'll have 2 crotchets or its equivalent. You may have 1 minim, you may have 4 quavers, or you can have a mix and match of them. You could have 2 quavers and 1 crotchet. You could have all 4 quavers, and you can mix them up with the rest as well. So you could have a 1 count crotchet rest with a crotchet note. You could have a quaver rest with another quaver note as well as a crotchet note. A double bar line normally means the end of something. That something could be the end of the song, the end of a section, or the end of a certain emphasized paragraph. Bars with 3 crotchets. Here you could have 3 crotchets or their equivalents. For example, you can have 2 crotchets and 2 quavers, or you could have a minim and 1 crotchet, or you could have 4 quavers and 1 crotchet. You could even add the rests in between as crotchet rest and a minim note. You could also have a quaver rest with a quaver note and a minim. The combination is all up to the one who composes music. A bar with 4 crotchets. In this bar, you can either have 4 crotchets or you could have the equivalents. This is the first time you can actually fit a semibreve into the bar. 1 semibreve is all that you could fit in 1 bar. The reason being, a semibreve is 4 crotchet counts. Another combination could be a minim with a minim rest. Sound. You could also have a crotchet rest with a dotted minim. If need be, you could just add a semibreve rest, and that would be enough to silence the entire bar. Now that we've seen the different crotchet values within a bar, we must know that these are given certain time signatures. The time signature 2-4 suggests that we have 2 crotchet counts in that bar. Here, the numbers are placed one above the other. 2 is the number on top and 4 is the number below. The top number indicates the number of beats to be counted in that bar. So if there's a number 2, we need to count only 2 counts within that bar before we reset that bar. A 2-4 time signature would count like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3-4 would have 3 counts, and we will have this also played out for 4 different bars, so you'd follow the count system. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A 4-4 time signature would have 4 counts within 1 bar. Let's do a 4-4, 4 bars, and see how we count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just Learn Music at justlearnmusic.com.